Hello everyone, and welcome to this new video. If you're in search of the best dashcam for your car, you've come to the right place. We're going to dive right in and explore the top 5 dashcams, starting from the most budget-friendly to the priciest. We regularly update the names and prices of the products we mention, and you can find them in the description just below. In the 5th spot, we have the KINGSLIM D5. It boasts a 4K camera that delivers ultra-high-definition video quality at 30 frames per second, a 2.5K mode at 30 frames per second, and a full HD mode at 60 frames per second for incredibly sharp recordings. Specifically designed to capture license plates and road signs with clarity, this dashcam features a super-wide 170-degree field of view for maximum road coverage. The built-in Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to view and download videos without removing the SD card, offering great convenience. The integrated GPS records essential journey information, enhancing driving safety. Its pros include high-quality video, Wi-Fi connectivity, night vision, smart motion detection, and loop recording. Its cons are that it requires an SD card for recording and its app can be complex for some users. In the 4th spot, we have the ORSKEY. This front and rear dashcam records in crystal clear full HD resolution, and its 170-degree wide-angle lens captures all details on the road simultaneously in super high definition, providing you with complete peace of mind while driving. It stands out for its superior night vision, thanks to a high-quality Sony sensor and an f1.8 aperture lens with 6 glass lenses. Moreover, it comes equipped with advanced features like loop recording, an accelerometer, parking surveillance, motion detection, and HDR for safer driving. Its pros include dual cameras, night vision, motion detection, loop recording, and an included SD card. Its cons are limited Wi-Fi range and a separately sold parking cable kit. In the 3rd spot, we have the Nextbase 222. It records in 1080p HD at 30 fps, has a 140-degree wide angle, a 2.5-inch high-resolution wide IPS screen, a click-and-go Pro mount for easy and convenient installation, a high-precision G sensor, and an intelligent parking mode that automatically records any impact or motion in your absence. Its pros include high-quality recording, a clear IPS screen, the mount, G sensor, and parking mode. Its cons are that the screen may seem small to some users and it needs to be constantly powered through its mount. In the 2nd spot, we have the 70mm Pro Plus A500S. This front and rear dashcam offers a 1944p resolution. Its features include a high-sensitivity Sony IMX335 sensor, providing exceptional image quality even in low light, a dashcam with an ADAS system for a safer driving experience, built-in GPS and route tracking, 24/7 parking surveillance, and app control and video sharing. The pros of this dashcam include dual cameras, the Sony sensor, driving aids, built-in GPS, and app control. Moving on to its cons, the parking cable kit is sold separately. In the top spot, we have the REDTIGER 4K. It features a dual 4K plus 1080p camera with ultra night vision. Wi-Fi connectivity and the REDTIGER app allow for easy control and sharing of recordings that you can play on your iOS or Android smartphone. You can also share your journeys and highlights with friends and family with just one click. The built-in GPS helps record your driving distance, speed, longitude, latitude, and other crucial information for your safety and insurance. The key advantages of this product are its dual camera, ultra night vision, Wi-Fi connectivity, loop recording, G sensor parking monitor, and integrated SD card. A drawback is its limited Wi-Fi range, which is about 3.5 meters. That concludes our top 5 current dashcams, each offering unique features to meet your specific needs. The product links and prices can be found in the description below. Thank you for watching the video. Feel free to let us know in the comments what you thought. And subscribe to stay informed about every new video. We'll see you soon for more top 5s. Take care.